Right, we have our 2020 Gold Rush touchdown box. Number 1, Mark has the Bears, Leviticus is the Panthers, Bobby has the Colts, Josh has the Patriots, Marvin has the Rams, Mark has the Eagles, Jason has the Texans, Steve has the Bills, Jeremy has the Browns, Jason has the Jaguars, Nick has the Packers, John has the Giants, Mike has the Falcons, Ed has the Bengals, Martin has the Jets, Terry has the Niners, Corey has the Ravens, Taylor has the Lions, Chet has the Dolphins, Dave has the Bucks, Gabriel has the Chargers, Zach has the Redskins, Jimmy has the Broncos, Baldur has the Chiefs, Jeremy has the Raiders, Steve has the Titans, Charles has the Cowboys, Jeremy has the Steelers, Gregory has the Cardinals, Steve has the Seahawks, Brock has the Vikings, and Philip has the Saints. All right. Let's bring this up. You guys can see it's all sealed up. Cut into it. See both sides. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so the way it looks like it looks like each item is individually boxed, which that might suck. Or something. That's actually exactly what it looks like. Alright, we got all paper. Bunch of paper. Alright, let's figure out what we got. Alright. Got our mini helmet. Autographed mini helmet. Let's open that up. Again, this is the Gold Rush touchdown autographed mini helmet. I'm short and this box is tall and it's on a table. So currently standing on a chair. Empty box. Alright, we got a Falcons mini helmet. AJ Terrell, the rookie cornerback. Let's go on to the Falcons, and who is the Falcons? There you go, Jan with the Falcons. The names on the box. Some up here. It's really real pain. Yeah, I got you. Alright, we have, let's see what we got up next. We have, what do we want to do? Let's do our jersey up next. It's the touchdown jersey. Extra steel on this drawing. We have an Eagles jersey. How about a Jalen Reagor? Was the Eagles? It's Marvin, right? Mark with the Eagles. Marvin is the Rams above that. Mark with the Eagles. There you go, Mark. We pulled some of each before. We definitely pulled multiple Hoovers. I guess we'll do the football next just because it's right here. There's our autographed football. Let's see what we got. This is a good quad workout. No cat. No Izzy. I need to eat these joints up. Those joints still being difficult. To open. Which way? Which way to open? Doesn't help. Also trying to keep my balance. Maybe. I got it. Look at that. Box, we got a football. You missed 2 items. You missed the jersey and the mini helmet. There weren't any Jets. Alright, who we got? We got, let's see this thing. Where's that? What's the thing on this side, of course? We got Damian Harris. Let's go out to the Patriots and Josh with the Patriots. There you go, Josh. Look at that. You're saying the Patriots never hit. They just did. I'm going to save the 16 by 20 for last because I'm probably going to have to take that out of the box to do that. We'll do, I'll take the full size out of the box to do that too. Cleat up next. Pretty sure that's what this is. Not the 16 by 20, it's not the full size helmet, so. We got like, it's not like a chair, like a folding chair, but it's like a swivel chair. So I'm literally standing on a swivel chair because I'm trying to keep my balance. Alright, hair. This one's unsigned. What size are they? Size 15s. Sheesh, I'm a size, I think, 10 or 9 or something like that. They not say who they are. They don't say who they are. Is that... I don't know. Is Dake still number 14? It's number 14, whoever it is. That's stupid, they don't say who they are. Some one here. I can see away. It doesn't say who it is on the box. No, of course it doesn't say who it is on the bottom of the box. That'd be, alright, I guess I'm gonna look this cert up. Give me a second. You are 15, 16. That's nuts. My back. Is it Derrick Henry, really? Derrick Henry's not number... Is Derrick Henry number 14? No, Derrick Henry's number 22.
Brady's already walked to the far sideline.
That's. It kind of looks like Diggs' auto, but it kind of doesn't, because Diggs has the Slim Shady auto. Let's see, back at verify certificate, M33507 6263. It's Sammy Watkins. Sammy Watkins. That's what Beckett said. It is Sammy Watkins. Yeah, look, it says number 14 in there. Sammy Watkins. That's a nice one. Let's go on to the Chiefs. Who has the Chiefs? Balder with the Chiefs. There you go, Balder. Got to be a better way to do these boxes. Although, I mean, shoot. The quad workouts. Not bad. No, it was Sammy Watkins, guys. It was Sammy Watkins. I had training today, so I'm already a little sore. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. You guys can see it. You can see it. You can still see it. Still see it. Still see it. Boom, look at that. There that is. So you guys can see. This is the 16 by 20 right here. From that angle. Because JM, that would be the easiest thing to do, but I want to show that everything's being taken right out of the case. Alright, now let's take our full size. Archives did not run yet, Patrick. We're on our Gold Rush touchdown box number 1. Alright. Now. Trying to figure out how to do this. Now, if you cut the box, the only thing cutting the box down is it's a sealed case. Sealed case. Just let you guys put this stuff in. You guys can see the side here. Look at that. I'm a genius. Jeez Louise, I'm a genius. Yeah, I mean, because you don't know where this stuff is. Like, it was packed pretty full, Ben. There's 6 items in there. Alright, this is our full-size helmet. I would flip it, but basically, full-size helmet. And like I said, I want to make sure that everything is being shown pulled out of the box. I mean, yeah, but see, the problem with that's a good suggestion. But the problem with that is you can't see the entire box. It cuts off like right here, so like a quarter of the way down. Or 3/4 laid out. Okay. You got Walter. You got Sammy Watkins. Sammy Watkins was on the cleats. One full-size helmet. Let's go. I think I know how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's. Alright, we got a Cowboys a speed rep. There's Beckett COA. How about a playmaker, Michael Irvin? Let's go on to the Cowboys and Charles. There you go, Charles. I'm not kidding you. I'm literally. He plays now, Balder. He plays now. I'm literally not kidding you. I'm literally standing on a chair. Yeah, he's a receiver. He plays now. Yeah, you're right. That wasn't a Jet. Just a Cowboy. Jets are pathetic. They're a pathetic organization. They should just sell their franchise. Relocate. With the Cowboys, Charles. Charles. Alright, the box is empty. That was 5 items. I think it's 5, right? I don't know. I think it's 5 items. And this is the 6th item. Which is this right here? 1620. Move this out of the way now. Chase, you were not in this break, no. Just reset this camera real quick.
You know, you rush 3 guys against Aaron Rodgers. I think you're asking for trouble. Easy for me to say up here, but he knows it's a 3-man rush. He knows he has extra time, Jim, and you notice he just watched the rushers there.
All right, we have our 2021 Gold Rush touchdown autograph 16/20. So we got these things are the biggest pain because the hip, the hip reinforcing goals or whatever. And at least you can do them. Oops, and I can just have them up here and do them. Stupid. Upper camera. And we have a Sony Michel, 16/20. That's also going to the Patriots and Josh. So Josh, not only did you hit, but you double hit. Look at that, man. I say that's from the Super Bowl. Super Bowl 53. Sony Michel. He should have been MVP that game. No kizzy. And that is Beckett COA. That's Sony Michel. That was our Gold Rush touchdown box number 1. We got Gold Rush touchdown box number 2 up next.